Hello, it is Vanna from Cheap Nails, helping you stay frugal with your next manicure. And in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Born Pretty Super Top Coat set. What comes in this adorable yellow box is Matte Topcoat, Glossy Topcoat, and Basecoat. Oh, sounds exciting, so let's get started using it. I've already prepped my nails to be painted, and I'm going to start off with using the base coat. So these top coat and base coats, they are all gel, so you have to cure them in the lamp. So I'm going to be curing them in the lamp for 60 seconds in between coats. And also I will be showing you these bottles up close later in the video because they're really beautiful. They're really gold and shiny. If you would like to check out this Born Pretty set, I will link everything down in the description box down below. After I've cured my base coat, I'm going to go ahead and grab the Born Pretty gel color called Day, and I'm going to apply 2 coats of that to my nails. When you're applying your gel nail polish, try to do thin and even coats because that's going to help it cure correctly. Moving on to the fun part. Alright, so I went ahead and grabbed some nail foil for this manicure, and I picked the Starry nail foil, and oh my goodness, isn't it just beautiful?
Time now for the helpful fact of the day. So if you got some awesome like flower foil and you want to get that whole beautiful image of that rose on your nails, you would use foil transfer glue. And that's going to give you a whole image. But of course, if you're using gel, you have to have a gel foil glue. And then you have to have a nail polish foil glue because they just don't work with each other. So yes, I will do a video on this in the future. But yes, some foily things to think about.
I just love how the transfer foil kind of gave it that shardy look, like it has just shards of color, and also it tinted the white gel polish just a little bit pink, so oh my goodness, so gorgeous. Next, I'm going to grab my Dollar Tree paint palette, which you can hardly see on camera, I'm sorry about that, and I'm going to grab some water decals. I'm going to go ahead and take the plastic layer that's kind of protective film over the decal. I'm going to take that off because you do not want to keep that on when you put it in the water, and then I'm going to put it in the water for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to take it out, I'm going to put it on a jelly stamper, and then I'm going to blow on it a little bit because you want to, kind of get some of that water off so you can just stamp it right on your nail. I picked these butterfly decals because I think it kind of goes with the overall theme and the colors are right, so I just think that they went with it perfectly.
Now it is time for the TMA1, which means tell me something about you down in the comment section down below. Something bothering you? I don't know, let us all know down in the comment section down below.
Alright, now it is time for top coat, so I went ahead and grabbed the Glossy Topcoat that comes in this set, and I applied that to my nails, and then I cured it in the lamp for 60 seconds. Alrighty, here is the Glossy Topcoat that comes with this set. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. You always need a glossy gel topcoat, and it was very nice. It wasn't very thick or anything like that, very easy to apply. And here is the matte topcoat that comes with this set. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I love the matte look with this manicure, and the matte topcoat that they give you in this set is very nice. It wasn't like super thick or hard to apply at all. It was very nice formula, and it's just beautiful. Here is a closer look at the bottles like I mentioned before that I was going to show, and these bottles, my camera does not do them justice. They are so shiny and gold and beautiful. So I really like this kit from Born Pretty. Thank you, Born Pretty, for sending it to me for my honest review. I gotta say, it is a nice gel top coat and base coat set.
Now it's time for the GTKM. It's up here. If you've been tuning into my community posts here on YouTube, which you should because I do really fun polls, I've been posting pictures there of the new Mary picture I've been painting. Done yet. I want to paint some more flowers right here, and it's not done yet, but I think it's beautiful, huh? Tried to go with a very pink theme because obviously my favorite color is pink. A lot of the stuff I have, like pink nail polish, pink chair, pink silicone mat that I put on this desk. So yeah, I just wanted it to be an overall pink feel, and of course beautiful like the Virgin Mary is. I'm painting this with acrylic paint, and I wanted it to be like a metallic gold right here for the little ring here, so yeah. I have been wanting to paint a new picture for the background videos. If you watch my other videos, you know that there's a picture of a lady of Guadalupe radio. That's always in my background. I recently just moved that to my shelf, and that's what that looks like. So I want to paint a new picture for my background that has more like pinky colors because, like I said, I'm going for a really pink theme. So yeah, that is why I went on this journey of painting a new painting. My sister helped draw the painting, so it would help me paint it because she's a really good drawer. She helped me draw it, and then now I'm painting it, and it's not done, but it's looking really good. I think it's looking good. That's how I've been spending my time.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a like if you liked it, and please visit me on my website www.chipnailswithvanna.com for more awesome content. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next Friday. Bye! Or maybe sooner. Ooh.